Hey guys, SpongeBob5 here, and today we're going to be playing some Left 4 Dead 2 Hard Rain on normal. Let's get started. I'm not going to be playing online today, but we're going to play some Hard Rain on normal. The Ellis. Okay. There we go, okay. Take forever to load. Jeez, why does it take so long to load? Yeah. My face when Left 4 Dead takes too long to load. Everyone. Of course, Nick, you're always going monitor. Where is every zombie? Need to save supplies for on the way back. It's not an auto shotty. I want an auto shotty. Those are the best. Spraying. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. That did not work. Oh, that did not work either. Yep. Oops. And there's a witch already. Not the smartest move I've ever made. Best teammates ever. I don't think they did any damage to the witch. I'm the only one who ever does damage. Shut up, Rochelle. Yeah, heal me, Rochelle. Use your health pack. Go some ammo, and I forgot. Of course, I forgot a Molotov. That would have been useful on the witch. Not today, my amigo. That was rude. Don't just go up to somebody. Let's go up here. Yeah, you better die. What's up? Where'd you get an AK? What? What's going on? Where'd you get an AK? Where'd you get a spaz? Where did you get a spaz 12? It's not even funny. Oh, son, I wrote the whole card. Lot of Dodge Charger coming. spraying of the pistols. This ladder was broken, but I can still go up it. Makes no sense. Didn't work. Skill. Oh. Sorry. Honor. Now is when this would come in handy. Is someone going to help me, or what's going on here? My face when teammates aren't helpful. Yeah, give me that shot. I don't even know how to do that. Oh yeah. My home. My bedroom. Oh, and there seems to be a hooker in there. Yup. Nope, not going there. Melee. Screw a katana. Please tell me there's an auto shotty. Pills. Oh yeah. It's pretty much an auto shotty, but not as good as the original one, but see what harm. Oh yeah, let's do this. Okay, Nick, I don't even know what you're doing, but it's not even funny. Come on, in now, in now. Yep. It's part 1 of the Left 4 Dead 2 Hard Rain.